Hi, I'm Teresa Linton, and this is Jackass. Actually, this is hashtag Feral Girl Summer. Mowing my lawn with a vacuum. As a feminist, I resent the fact that the contraption that I just mowed my lawn with resembles a vacuum cleaner, and I felt compelled to make sure the lines were in my yard. But as the daughter of Lance Linton and a strong, independent woman who don't need no man but enjoys the company of one sometimes, I appreciate the efficiency of this contraption. Yeah. It did it. It did the thing. Some of you may be wondering, Teresa, why wouldn't you just hire someone to mow your lawn? Why would you be out in the Georgia heat, sweating, which feels nice to sweat, with mosquitoes, and your legs are itching? Why wouldn't you just pay somebody like $30 to mow your lawn? Well, that's because the last person I paid to mow my lawn went freaking crazy on me and scared the crap out of me and started yelling at me and banging on my windows. And now I'm like terrified to have like anyone I don't know come to my house. So, yeah, vacuum cleaner lawnmower.